Would you trust a total stranger with 50 grand? Who Dares Wins is all about how much you can remember under extreme pressure and how much you can win on a team with someone you've never met before. Join me, Nick Knowles, for the National Lottery Who Dares Wins, a brand new series, including the live draws tomorrow at 7:50 on BBC One.
And it's back to TV Centre in 5 minutes as Jeremy Clarkson tests the world's smallest car round our corridors and Fiona Bruce gives him a push. Looking forward to the weekend now on BBC One. Here's tonight's weather view with Susan Pell.
Hello there. Children in Need may well have come to a close for another year, but there are still ways you can take part, and I'll be talking you through one of those at the end of this forecast. Back to the weather though, and for today some pretty wet and windy conditions heading our way, all courtesy of a lively area of low pressure that you can see swirling away here behind me as this white massive cloud on the Atlantic satellite picture. This will start to approach northern and western areas of the UK by the end of the night, but actually ahead of it we still have some quite extensive clear skies across the southeast of England at the moment, and under these temperatures really are falling off quite sharply. Maybe temperatures getting as low as -4 before we're through across parts of the southeast of England and into the Midlands. So certainly a chilly start to the day here, but I think once we get the sunshine up and getting to work we should push those temperatures up above freezing. This is 9 a.m. and most of our towns and cities up above freezing by this point in the day. In rural areas though it will take longer, a little chillier here, and do look out if you're driving for example through the Welsh Marches or towards the Midlands. We could also have some patches of fog around at this time. Looking further north though, a much milder start to the day for Scotland and Northern Ireland, but here as you can see the cloud has arrived and also the rain, and that rain will be heavy for a while and the winds could reach up to gale force for a while across northwestern Scotland through the morning. Looking further south though, once again away from the weather front, some cloud across the Midlands and northern England, but a dry start to the day, hopefully with some bright or sunny spells. And our weather front will just gradually continue sliding its way south eastwards across Scotland and Northern Ireland through the course of the day. Quite a prolonged wet and windy spell though on the way here. We'll also see that rain just fringing into western Wales by the end of the afternoon, and quite a lot of cloud around here at this stage in the day as well. For Northern Ireland the rain is still heavy through the afternoon, a very wet day in prospect, and for much of Scotland a pretty wet story to finish off too, although the northwest, particularly the Highlands and the Western Isles, will turn a little drier if not somewhat showery through the second part of the day. The northwest of England picks up some rain through the afternoon. The northeast, though sheltered by the Pennines, should stay dry and bright, and I think the Midlands, East Anglia and the southeast are in for some of the best of our sunshine. We just need to keep a close eye though on the south coast, a chance of a little bit more cloud here bumping in from the Channel, bringing some light spits and spots of rain through the second part of the day. But the major rainfall through this weekend will come courtesy of this weather front, and the worst of it is likely Saturday night into Sunday morning. Notice also some white though showing up here on the map behind me as it bumps into the colder air sitting further east. We could even have a flavour of winter for a while across eastern areas, particularly eastern England, I think, through the early part of Sunday. The rain heavy though just about wherever you are, although fortunately things will get a little brighter in the west towards the end of the day. Staying pretty unsettled now though through the start of the new week as well. Monday and Tuesday bringing all of us a chance of some rain or showers and quite a raw easterly wind as well. Well, that's the weather. As promised though, don't forget, I did say there's another way to carry on giving for children in need. If you head on to our website, we're auctioning a day out in the Weather Centre where you too can try your hand at being a presenter, so get clicking.